Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete header on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, I'm on the Wix website editor. Now what I can do in order to delete the header is to just click on the header itself. So from in there, you can be able to see these three dots right here, which is the more actions. So click on that. Then from in there, you should be able to see these things, which is this hide header and footer. So click on hide. And then in here, you should be able to see this. Just click on this no header and footer. Once you have done that, you will have this thing right here, which have no header or website in here. So once you publish it, so let's try to view this first on the site. So from in there, we should be able to see the daily mom. As you can see, we haven't published it yet. So first we need to publish it. And then once we have published this specific site, we should be able to see our website with no header or no footer. It actually takes a few seconds in order for this to load. And then once you have done that, you should be able to remove the header and footer from in there. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete header on the Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps you reach more people. See you soon.